Hello, this is Charlene Riley, and today is Thursday, August 24th, 2017 at 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Um, I'm ready to do some trading and record my trading session. The first thing I want to do is look at my FX book and check out the economic calendar. We see that the Sydney market is currently open right now and that Tokyo opens in 15 minutes. Right now, the only high impact report coming up is the U.S. Jackson Hole Symposium report. That's a high impact, but it doesn't have any numbers to go with it. And looking at what happened throughout the day, there were several low and medium impact Japan reports, and there's a low impact Japan report coming out. So nothing really going on in the last hour or so. So now I want to check out. First thing I want to check out is the next thing I want to check out is how much I can trade with today. So my current account balance is $996.56. I created this little spreadsheet so that I could quickly determine my daily risk threshold and the maximum number of pips per day and per trade. My daily risk threshold is 2%. So with my current account balance, that's a total of $19.93 that I could $19.93 that I could risk today. And that's a maximum number of pips of 199 pips on a 10-cent lot size or 100 pips on a 20-cent lot size. My maximum risk per trade is 1/2 of 1%, so that will be $4.98, and that translates to 50 cents per pip. Well, 50 pips per trade on a 10-cent lot size, or 25 cents per pip on a 20-cent lot size. So now that I know what I can trade with, I am ready to go to the markets. And again, the Sydney market is open right now, and the Tokyo will be opening in about 15 minutes. So the pairs that I use during this time period, during these markets, are the Australian dollar JPY, the Australian New Zealand, and the British pound JPY. And I am also trying out the Euro JPY to determine whether or not I'm going to use that in my trading plan. So look at my Australian JPY, and it looks like the market here is in consolidation, but I will do my multi-frame analysis, starting with the daily, and I see a overall downtrend, but that for today the market appears to be in consolidation. My Fibonacci, I've previously plotted the highs and the lows and the range for the last week or so. So now looking at the 4-hour chart, I see that the market has been in an uptrend over the past day. And then I look at the 1-hour chart, and I see that overall there's an uptrend, but currently the bears are trying to take over. And now going to my 15-minute chart, which is where I would execute trades, and I see that again there's the overall uptrend, but right now there's consolidation. So I'm not ready, I wouldn't be ready to make a trade here, but if I did, the setups that I would be looking for is a breakthrough of the 86460 line, and that would make me want to enter into a sell, or a break above the 86552 line that would make me enter into a buy. So now let me go back to there. Now flipping over to my Australian dollar JPY, the overall trend, the major trend is an uptrend. And the current trend, I'm going to call that consolidation. And I'm seeing a rise. The candlesticks are rising. So I see the breakthrough, but I don't yet have confirmation. The stochastic is only at 28, and I would need to see the stochastic go higher, above 50, before that, in order to confirm the reversal to an uptrend. Downtrend. Uptrend over the last 24 hours. Major trend is uptrend. Okay. So it looks like it wants to reverse back to the uptrend. So for my Australian dollar JPY 15-minute chart, my trade setup is a break above the 86952 line, and with confirmation from the stochastic, and if that occurs, I would enter into a buy. Otherwise, if I had to break below the 86.511 and confirmation of stochastic below 50, I would enter into a sell. So, well, the plan was to enter into a buy based on the current setup. Right now I'm not seeing a bullish candlestick. There it is. And stochastic at 64. Let me just look at my 30-minute and my 1 hour. Both of them are pointing up. So there's my buy. And setting my take profit at 86.672 and my stop loss at 86.472. And now let's get my chart labeling in. Here's where I entered into the trade. The current trend is an uptrend. We had a breakthrough at resistance 86.552. And the stochastic was above, was at 65 and rising. And so because of that, I entered into a buy at 86.572. Take profit of 10 pips at 672 and a stop loss of 86.472. So let's do the print screen and add that to my stop